Dad, I took a third job. I drive all night. I nap standing up. I'm hustling my way to rich.
3 jobs. And yet I'm the one about to take a nap. And I'll still make more money than you while I sleep.
That's impossible. You'll be unconscious. Nobody makes money doing absolutely nothing.
Rich versus poor often comes down to one question: who does the work, you or your money? Phil just took a third job. I'm about to take a nap. Let's see who comes out ahead. That's the whole secret, son. You trade your hours for money. I bought things that make money without me.
But more hours means more money. So maximum hours means maximum money. That's just math.
Phil, you have 11 hours of sleep debt and a coffee IV. This plan is going great.
There is a name for what you're doing. Trading the one thing you can never get more of, your time, for money.
Okay, that sounds bad when you say it like that. But is it bad? It kind of feels noble.
It's a hamster wheel. You run faster, the wheel just spins faster, and you land in the same spot, only tired.
Rich people don't run the wheel, Phil. They own the wheel and charge everyone else rent on it.
You don't have a working problem, Phil. You have an owning problem. Let me show you. The poor ask, how many more hours can I work? The rich ask, what can I own that pays me? One sells time, the other buys freedom.
But if I stop working, the money stops. That's just how money works.
Only if money is the one thing working. Watch what happens when your money clocks in too.
So my money gets a job? Does it need a tiny little resume?
It's called an asset. Genius. Something you own that pays you whether you show up or not.
$200 a month, invested at about 7%, grows to roughly $244,000 in 30 years. You only put in $72,000, the rest, over $170,000, your money earned while you slept.
Fine, but I don't have millions lying around to go buy assets with.
Nobody starts with millions. You start with a little, and you let it hire more of itself.
One index fund, one small thing that pays you. Then you buy the next one with its paycheck.
That's the income ladder. First you sell hours, then you buy assets, then the assets buy your hours back.
Buy my hours back? So I could actually sleep? Like you? Guilt-free napping?
Guilt-free napping is just wealth with its eyes closed. My investments worked all night. I did not.
Meanwhile, your third job paid you an exhaustion and one free lukewarm coffee.
Keep the day job if you love it, but send a little money to work every month so one day you don't have to.
So the goal isn't more jobs, it's more money that has a job.
Your hours only work a third of the day, then you sleep. Pile on more jobs and you're still part-time, just exhausted. But an asset earns 24 hours a day. It never clocks out. Now you're thinking rich. Your hours are capped at 24. Assets have no bedtime.
Your time runs out, Phil. A good asset just keeps clocking in.
New plan, I quit the 2 a.m. driving gig and I buy my first tiny asset instead.
That's the shift. Stop renting out your life by the hour. Start owning things that pay you by the year.
So while I sleep tonight, my money pulls the night shift?
Baby steps. One asset, one nap at a time.
You can only sell so many hours, so own things that pay you while you sleep and wake up richer than you went to bed. Sell your hours if you must, but buy assets while you can. Money that works while you sleep is how the rich wake up richer. Next time, Phil finds a guaranteed get-rich-quick system. Subscribe to Common Sense.